Oh yeah, it's one of the models before my dad's, this one. This is what I was doing my own one car the other day before I got rid of it. I took the lid off and spent grease on the lid. I did this with my own one because it was old. I took the lid off and put it on the screen. Just like that, in the old 889 Hotpoint. Yeah, the concrete block is steady them when they don't come forward. Yeah.
They're easy quite good, they're all like that.
So is this just been tested before you put it on sale?
Yeah, the B12 and the dryer. Oh, placed it. Yeah. On the dry side of that.
Oh, it's spins while drying as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know that was fun on the dry side.
You don't, a lot of them don't. Yeah. Most of the time, they just go through slowly and then it doesn't spin halfway through the dry.
I didn't know certain ones did it. Yeah. That's what amazed me. Now, this is one of the best places where I've been.
Over in Wigan, all the old machines they take away, lots of this warehouse in Wigan, and just imagine how many machines they get 3 full truckloads of them. Not loads of that. They sell them on. They sell about 25% of them and you scrap the rest of them. Yeah.
But you don't get my old ones in, do you, that I look out for, the brown and whites, and because they're too old, aren't they?
Yeah, I very rarely see them.
Yeah. Well, my old one's still in the auntie's garage until I'm ready to scrap it.
Yeah.
The bearings were so bad on it. A few other things have gone on it as well.
Yeah.
The thing that's attached to the bearings as well is